Does anybody have a preference?
Uh, yeah, whatever.
Great. Great, great.
It looks like number. It looks like it says writers, so it looks like maybe like all have books.
It's kind of nice that our finals broken up over a few weeks.
Mhm.
Unless we also have a final test, I don't know. Then it wouldn't be as nice. Main writers for the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So designing the study, we all submit and collect our own data. We all describe it, or one describe it, one makes inference, one takes action. I don't think it'd be too bad. I think the biggest one we'll probably need to collaborate on is designing the study because we need to figure out what we want to do.
Yeah.
Does anyone want to like have the desire to do that first one? I mean, obviously we're all going to collaborate, but anybody care to write that first one? I can do it too.
I'll do whatever you guys don't want to do. So
I guess I can do it.
Okay. Okay, so we'll do Colby the first one. Okay. Describe the data. I can do describe the data or make inference. Brand, do you have a preference?
no, I don't care. Like I said, I'll do whatever you don't want to do. So if you don't want to do either one, I'll do them.
Okay. I'll do the make the inference one. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
I think they're all about the same difficulty. I don't feel like there's anything. So Brand,
Yeah.
BRANDT. I'll do you the describe the data, and then take action. I don't mind doing the take. I guess whoever does the take action, and then the other two can do the PowerPoint presentation.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way we all do too.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, I don't mind doing the take action unless Colby, do you anybody have like a strong desire of what they're gonna do here?
Uh,
No.
Would you
Go ahead.
anybody prefer the
I can
PowerPoint
do
or
it.
prefer writing? You okay? Then Brand, you and I will work on the PowerPoint together.
Yeah, that's fine.
Awesome. Okay. Well, luckily this will be in my email, so I'll remember because right now I'm like, no one knows. But um, okay, cool. So Colby, this first one's due this Saturday, so we probably either have to collaborate on Thursday. Maybe we can kind of brainstorm over the next days, and then on Thursday we can really help you. Well, pretty much this first one, I think it'll be a lot of collaboration, but we can do that on Thursday, and then you can just submit it before the
Okay.
weekend. Does that sound okay?
Yeah.
Does anybody have ideas of a project to do, or do you guys want to think about it for a little bit?
I have to give some thought because we're like 3 different time zones, 3 different parts of the country.
Yeah, that's true.
But like for all 3 of us to collect data on something, so
I
unless
know it's true,
someone,
and
unless someone
not
has
have
the
like
desire to do that all by themselves.
we're like totally out there. Yeah, it's true. I mean, we have different populations. We have different Like the only thing that I could think that would be similar between us would be the church, and that would be it. You know what I mean? But even
Okay.
then, it's a lot of variables. So yeah, definitely some good brainstorming.
Mhm.
If everybody goes to sleep at the same time. So okay, so I'll just write this last little thing.
Ooh.
Okay, so how did you guys do on the preparation assignment?
Yeah, I did it.
Good.
I guess the only thing I didn't have an answer for, and I wondered if it was like too easy that I was overthinking it, but it says, oh wait, I just downloaded the design the study thing. Did you download that?
Yeah.
So at the top it has the divvied up.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh well, I'm gonna email her anyway, and then we'll do the rest. But I was like, oh, it's also there. Okay, sorry, totally got distracted. Coming back.
No worries.
The one question I had was number 3, where it says, what is the mean of the sampling distribution of samples of the portion? Like, pretty much, how do you do the mean of the portions? And I was like, don't you just add them up and divide? Or...
Yeah.
Is that it?
I was just looking up in the book about it.
Are we group 6?
Hmm?
Do you know what our group number is? Are we group 6?
I'm not sure.
No, I think it might have been 9, but then, like,
I think it was 9.
I went online to, like, where all the groups were, and I can't even find our names anymore. Or our group. Like, it got deleted.
I'm pretty sure we were group 9 too as well.
Okay. I'll go with it. Wow, if our names aren't there, maybe that's why I was getting all these bad scores. We're not even in the class. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, I couldn't when I was going over the lesson. Well, I like read through it and then I went and answered those questions. But I asked about the mean, and I was like, I actually don't remember that part, and I couldn't find it.
Yeah, they slightly mention it a little bit. And near the bottom, they really talk about it, the mean and the standard deviation.
Okay, I see the Z part, and it does have the mean.
But
Okay.
it's kind of just like, it's really vague.
Yeah,
It's
right here.
like the true population of the mean random variable p hat is mean of p hat is equal to p. Then that's it.
Yeah, and then I think I remember something.
And I think on the answer key they say like something along the words of like the mean is p. But then in the problem just above it, tossing a coin, they
0.5.
they say the true theoretical mean for this random variable is p is equal to 0.5. Yeah. So
they never really explain how to find it, right?
yeah, well, I guess it's like you have to find, I don't know. Yeah.
Well, I guess some things we would definitely know there's a 50-50 chance, like the probability. Either you do or don't have it. Either you flip the coin and get head or tail. But anything other than that, I'd be like, how do you solve for p out?
Well,
Maybe as we do some problems, though.
I think no. So like for example, like a coin, if you keep on flipping a coin, it'll get closer and closer to half, I believe, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll get closer and closer to, a 50% chance. And what they say at the beginning is kind of similar along the lines of what we've been learning about, like the law of large numbers. Just the sample proportion p hat is normally distributed if n is large. So
Yeah.
then I'm going to say the mean of p hat is equal to p, the mean. So I'm wondering if it's like the law of large numbers, maybe?
Yeah, and I was reading that part too about is it large enough? And so it's kind of interesting thing that this is a little bit of a tangent, like off in a different direction, but just that as we think normal, we have to check the probability of it happening and of it not happening,
Mm-hmm.
as long as it's greater than 10. Oh, interesting. Yeah, so I guess the only question is I don't still understand how you would calculate for. Are we able to find the true population mean, or are they always going to give that to us?
Yeah, I don't know.
You know?
It looks like, does that have to be greater than 10? The
Greater than or equal to.
Yeah. Well, they give you conditions. I guess for if,
P, is that P though, or is that P hat?
Yeah.
I guess it looks like it depends. Like if your sample is large enough, depends on how many samples and what the mean proportion is.
Okay,
I guess the mean of the population
those are
is.
the two things. Okay, awesome. Hey, chat. The big class is the normal class there. Awesome. Okay. Um. Okay. Well, that's good. I think as we go through this, it will start clicking more in my head. Okay, so part 2, open class survey.
a
What?
fear in there as well. Quantified fear and skills.
I haven't opened it up, darn it, they did. Let's see. Class survey. It's a huge, oh yeah, we've used these surveys before. So I can't see the labels. Oh, there they are. Fear and skills. Wonder what that means.
Yeah.
Okay, apply trend classroom. Okay, hold on. I'm always really bad at making these charts.
Ooh, I guess I forgot the label. I was able to make it, but like none of like the pieces are like labeled wrong. I can't figure out how to label it.
I'll label it all. I'm gonna try and do an SPSS really quick. So I'm gonna use
Colby.
right here.
Yeah.
Which bar do you pull it out of on SPSS? Is it analyze or is it graphs? I forgot.
It's go to graphs.
Oh, it's under graphs. Graph chart builder.
Uh you go to legacy dialogues.
Oh.
Uh,
Oh. Okay. I see. Alright. Thank you.
oh, okay, never mind. It's labeled. Wait a minute. Never mind. It actually does label it.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, it does. It was just off. It was like the
On
screen
the
that
side of
the
picture.
for like the what you call it, virtual desktop is small, and it was like on the outside of it, so couldn't see it.
Oh, okay. Let's see what it does for mine here. Computer's running so slow today. Kind of odd.
Let's see. Components.
Okay.
Okay, I think I did it okay. Sorry that took so long.
Oh, no problem.
I just finished.
Okay, good. I just had an idea and I just won. Just kidding. No, we don't. Okay, cool. Okay, so now create a bar graph. Okay, so they're having us just practice all these different ways. Close this. No. Do you guys have a few that are missing? Like,
Oh yeah, there's a few that's unnamed,
like
right?
it doesn't say.
It's like it's not labeled.
Yeah.
That's that. Yeah, there's a
Yeah.
few on the class rating where it's just blank.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me sure I was thinking the same thing. There's a lot of sophomores here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then after the pie chart, what does it want us to make? Or main the graph bar chart?
Number 8, use at least 5 descriptors to describe the data above.
What do you think that means?
Well, I thought maybe it meant just like
Just like 5 things to
the
describe
freshman,
it?
junior, senior, sophomore, and is like unknown.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're
I don't
so
know
right.
what
That
I
makes
don't know
sense.
if that's what they wanted, but what came to mind
That
anyway.
makes a lot. I was just thinking, like, what do? We just say this is what we have seen. Like, there's a lot of sophomores. I wasn't sure we should describe it. Let's go with that. So, um, okay. 7% is a true unknown percent of the population that do not have traditional phones. Suppose a random sample of 750 telephone users are obtained. What is the probability that more than 60 phone users in the survey only use cell phones? So they pretty much, P is 7%, and they want to know if P hat is different.
take a look. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, well, yeah, P is the mean.
Which is 7%.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah.
And then I want the standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
Which I think is like square root P times 1 minus P divided by
I got 0.009 for the standard deviation. What do you guys got?
Yeah, I just, 0.7. Okay. And it's 750 was in.
one minus P2 times.
What did you get, Brand?
I got 0.009.
Okay, maybe I did this wrong. Hold on.
Wait, what was
I
your
got
equation?
0.237.
What was your equation for the standard deviation?
Um, oh, I did it wrong.
Oh,
I
okay.
square rooted and not the whole thing.
All
Okay,
right.
so
I got
it
0.00
is.
as well.
Okay. Excellent.
What did you get?
0.009.
Okay, then let's say that's it, and I'll just do the math here to see if I can catch up to you guys. Oh, and I timed that wrong. Divide 750. Yeah, so I got now 2. Okay, state the following in terms of the variable. So,
What does that even mean?
p hat is 8%. Did you guys get 8% for B? Yeah.
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 Okay. Okay, what is I don't, so for the area under the curve, um, what is, do we do the Z or what are we, I guess what are we looking for overall? Like, if it's bigger than P?
Sorry, what was that?
So what is it going to look like when it comes to the curve, the bell curve? For part C?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Shade the desired area. So we're looking for what is the probability that more than, oh, okay, more than 60 phone users in the survey use only cell phones. So I think we're looking for the right tail.
Mm-hmm. So it's just the same as the other ones, right? We just saw it's pretty much it's just how we do the other quantitative stuff. It's just the z-score and standard deviation have a different formula.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Get 1.111 for the z-score.
Almost there. Good. Okay, so I got 1.074.
Or the z-score.
What did you? Yeah. What did you get?
I got 1.111.
So it's just sorry, I think so it's 0.01 on top divided by the standard deviation. And the standard deviation, I had rounded it, but I got 0.00931. Is that what you had?
Yeah. So you just divided the 0.08 by the standard deviation.
No, 0.01.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, you took the difference. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I put it in wrong.
0.01 divided by 0.00931. Wait, no, it came up really funny. Okay, so 0.08 divided by 0.00931. Yeah, I got 1.074.
Really?
So I got 0.00931 as the standard deviation.
You got what?
0.00931.
Okay, 0.00931. I'll try that instead.
Wait, so what did you get?
I may have rounded that last digit wrong. What did you get, Brandon?
Yeah. So I got 1.074.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
I did too.
Okay. And then we did the applet, right? That's what it's saying.
Mm-hmm.
Colby. Or
Yeah.
Fire, either one. So you guys took the difference between the two numbers and then divided it by that formula, right? To get 1.07.
Wait, what formula?
Yeah.
So the p times 1 minus p over n?
Yeah, I believe so.
Okay. I just making sure I
We
did it
took it
right.
to like 5 decimal places, and it makes like a 1% difference. I mean, as far as the probability goes,
Yeah.
because I did it with 1.111 and I got 13.3, and then I did it with the 1.074 and I got 0.141, 14.1%.
Wait, what did you put in on the bottom? Did you just put our answer in from earlier?
So at first I took the standard deviation to 3 decimal places, and
Uh-huh.
the probability I ended up getting was 0.133. And then when I took it to 5 decimal places, I got 0.141.
So I had 1.074 for the
Oh yeah,
z-score
yeah,
overall.
yeah, I agree with that.
Okay, I walked away for 2 seconds to grab a napkin, and then I was like, wait, what did I miss? Sorry. So what probability did you get then? Is that what you're talking about?
But I got 14.1%.
Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. I had highlighted the wrong part of the curve. Okay, I was like, I got double that. That's so weird. Okay, so, woohoo, so 14.1%. Interpret the area, so it's just that little bit. Now, do we have a null here? Or that's just our answer, is that there's a 14% chance?
There's like a 14% chance that 60 fun users in the survey use only cell phones, but that 60 fun users will only use cell phones.
So we don't really have a null or reject null or anything, it's just
Yeah.
the possibility. Okay, interesting. Okay, should we start the quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. I just went over the answer key, so it looks like we got pretty much the same thing. Mm-hmm.
Did they carry out a law of decimals in their standard deviation too?
Yeah, they had the same z-score, so yeah, they took it out to about 5 decimal places. Seems like.
Okay, good to know. I almost opened up the the homework quiz. That wasn't bad.
Yeah, it's taking me a little bit as well.
If I open up the homework quiz, I'm like, guys, gotta do it right now. Shoot. Okay, tell me when you guys are going. I already did the first. I did like 3, so let me know.
Yeah, same.
Almost there. Still trying to load the page.
Hmm. Yeah, I remember doing stuff for a second. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm there.
What the hell? Brand, how are your other classes going, by the way? Because don't you have a lot more on campus?
Yeah, they're going all right.
They're going okay?
Yeah, they're going all right. Could be better, but not terrible.
Good. We're almost halfway through. That's crazy.
There it is. Wonderful.
And I guess we are more than halfway through. Just kidding, but
Yeah.
okay. So for 4, I did the long answer. The only difference between them is that the parteo is ordered largest to smallest.
Sorry, what was that?
For number 4, I did that the parteo is ordered largest to smallest.
Yes, me too.
Number 4. How our bar charts. Is that the one you're
Uh-huh.
talking about?
Yeah, how do you say it?
Barito? I don't know.
Pareto, yeah.
The only difference between a bar chart is that the one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that one.
5 is P, the true proportion or the sample proportion? The true one, right?
Yeah.
Number 5 is true population.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So N is the sample size, isn't it?
Yep. It's as small as n that satisfies the requirement.
It's 40, isn't it?
I don't know. How do you? So it's
Actually, it will be 40.
0.25. It would?
Yeah, because you have n, p is greater than or equal to 10, right? That's the condition.
Right.
Uh-huh. So,
Proportion is a fourth times n.
Which is 10.
If you
that'd be
multiply
10.
both sides by 4, that'd be 40. N is greater than or equal to 40. Right?
Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Nice job. That was so quick.
Well,
So 40. Okay. Use the following information to answer 9 and 10, 8 and 9. Sorry. Suppose N is 24 and P is 0.4. What is the mean of P? Okay, what is this? What is this question?
I think it's just 0.4, isn't it?
that's what I was thinking.
I'll believe you. Okay, the standard deviation.
Ooh. Okay, well, let's hurry and do it.
P times 1 minus P divided by n. 4. 1 minus 0.4 divided by 4.
I got 0.1.
Me too.
Okay.
I got
So I have
0.01.
7.
Is that you guys
I
got?
got 0.1.
I got 0.1 as well.
Oh, I forgot to take the square root.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh yeah. So this goes to 0.1.
300. If we lost 375, we should get more than 35 hits. And that's kind of 100 artifacts. What is p hat? Oh, that's
It's not just 35 divided by 100, so maybe I'm making that up, but isn't it 0.35?
I don't know. How'd you get 0.35?
Because you want to get 35 out of 100. So you just do 35 divided by 10.
Yeah. I get it. Hey, wait a minute. For number 10? Oh, never mind. That's later.
Does that make sense? So it's at point. I just want to make sure that 0.35.
I think I was just getting confused with the question they asked in number 10. Because they were saying more than. I think that part of the question comes later on.
0.35.
Yeah, so that's at 0.35. Hopefully that's right.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right.
There's
Seems
35
right.
out of 100.
Yeah, so 0.35 overall.
Okay.
Okay, did you guys get the standard deviation yet by chance?
0.0477.
Yeah. And then I rounded it to 0.047 or 0.048.
Z-score. 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by 0.048 minus 3 divided by 0.048. Did you get 1.0417?
I got 1.09.
Huh.
So I got 1.048.
What did I do wrong?
But I didn't use the rounded standard deviation. I carried it out an extra decimal. So what did you guys get?
I got, let's see, 1.0417.
That's way different than what I got. Darn it. Okay. 0.05 divided by 0.0478.
0.0478.
Or wait, it's the
it's 0.3.
0.0477.
Oh, frick.
What?
Did I do that wrong? Isn't it supposed to be just 0.3? Did I do that wrong?
Oh,
for
it's
the
point
standard.
zero. Did you hear that, Brand?
What's that?
So just for the standard deviation.
What's that, Claire? You keep breaking up on me.
Oh, sorry. It was so it is it's 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by 0.478.
Oh,
No, 0.0478. Is that what you did, Colby?
I use 0.048. 0.0478.
Well, I guess it kind of depends because it changes the answer a lot. If we just do the 3 decimal points, then I think I just wanted to carry it out to make it more accurate. But I don't know what they're gonna.
Yeah, yeah, I'm not sure either because like on number 11, they tell you they want it to like 3 decimal places, but it's kind of like I don't know. I'm not sure.
maybe
But yeah, it does change the answer a bit.
0.048. That's what I would do.
Okay, then I did get 1.04.
Yeah.
So so I really got 1.042.
1.0. At least.
Hopefully you get it right out so we get the next round too.
1.0.
There.
So I got the probability of 0.4. Okay, whoa. 14.87%.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
It says round to 3 decimal places, though.
Okay, so I guess it'd be 0.1414. What is it? 149?
Wait, so what is it?
0.149.
Oh, okay.
Did you guys get the standard deviation for the next one?
Still working on it.
Just doing it right now.
No pressure.
Yeah, I got 0.0112.
Yeah, I got the same 0.0112. Yeah, so I wrote 0.011.
Yep, same.
Oh man. So for this, the 15, it makes such a difference if you carried out 2 decimal points or or if you carry out 3 decimal points or 4 decimal points.
Yeah, I don't
Can we
know
just
what
do
the
the 3 decimal points?
So what did you use for p hat? Did
So
you
p
just use
hat I
something?
did, yeah, I did 0.5. Mhm.
Yeah. So you got well, this is for 3 decimal places anyway, but I got negative 1.82.
Yeah, 1.8. It should be one more decimal point, right? 1.81, not 8.
Oh, see 1.818.
Uh-huh. That's what I got for the 3. Is that what you got for 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's what it for if we had carried out the other standard deviation, it would go 1.791 or something.
Yeah.
That makes me nervous. I hope that this is right, you know?
Yeah, it doesn't on the lesson. Never really talked about it.
Yeah. Okay, so I just clicked it in. I got 0.0345. Have you guys looked at the percentage for the applet yet?
In right now.
And I don't get 16 very well.
And we just do the left tail, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I just did the left tail.
Yeah. So I got, let's see, 0.0345.
Yeah, so I wrote 0.035.
0.0345. Okay, so what is it? 3.45?
Mm-hmm. 0.035.
Oh, okay, you rounded. Okay. Yeah, what is 16 even?
What is the probability? What probability do you compute?
I don't even know what it
Big. I forgot what big Z was. Little. Was big Z like? Hmm.
means. I don't know. I don't remember reading about it unless it was at the very end and I missed it.
I don't remember it.
Oh, it might be. It might be referring to the because we we took the z-score, 0.5 minus 0.25, right? So it might be referring to that, like, because we take a point 0.5, that's 50%. So you have 50% on this side, 50% on the other side. So probability of big Z is greater than or equal to little z.
Even that, I don't know if this makes any sense, but like the z-score of, well, that wouldn't make sense. So I was thinking big Z would represent the true population, and the little z would be population, the p hat.
Uh-huh.
So you're trying to see if no. You're trying to see like the population is like the little z or the p hat is less than the population.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm really just guessing here.
Well, let's see. Well, it depends on which one is. I'm assuming that big Z might be referring to like the mean. Is z-score the mean? Maybe.
That's what I was kind of thinking too. Like, well, I guess these scores would be scores, but that I was kind of going off that same thing.
So.
Well, if that's the case, then shouldn't it be less than to the little, like, it should be the little z is less than the big Z?
Yeah, so I was thinking it might be the first one. Just because if.
That's what I think.
What's that?
That's what I'd put, or I was kind of leaning towards, I guess.
Yeah.
Should we just go with it? I mean, I don't think there's anything more that we could figure out.
It's starting to make more sense because if it's that, the big Z is the mean, that means it's centered. Right at the center, so the z-score would be like 0. So, right here you'd have, 0.52, or here you would have, 0.5. So it'd be less than that. But if it's really, I know it's kind of, doesn't really describe what Z and little z is, but I don't know, you want to go with the first one?
Yeah, let's go with the first one, just because at least we can somewhat make up an answer for it, even though that we're not too sure. Okay, well, let's cross our fingers that it's just rounding to 3 decimal points for that standard deviation.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to submit it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, darn it. Did you guys get 12 or 13 right?
Mine's submitting.
Mine's still submitting too.
Oh.
Well, probably not.
Oh.
Nope.
What was it? Yeah, 12 and 13. Oh. Did you get 15 wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 16, 15, 12, and 13.
Same here.
Did you guys get those ones wrong too?
Yeah. Yeah, 16 was,
It was a 50-50, darn it.
Yes. Really, we got 3 wrong. That one doesn't count.
That one doesn't count. Yeah, it should only be 3. So we must have gotten, so we got the z-score on 12 wrong too?
Yeah.
yeah.
We don't. We don't.
You know what? I wonder if it was that we weren't supposed to round the standard deviation. That's why we got the z-scores wrong.
But it tells you around the 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
I know it does. It totally does. But I just because we got both our z-scores wrong, but we calculated them with the 3 decimals.
That's lame.
Is there? We didn't do a z-score before 12, did we?
I don't think so.
Mm,
Nope.
I think so. I mean, we got the standard deviation right. We got the
Got
value.
p right. It really just got to be where they. We must have rounded because it looks like we got the standard deviation right, but when we plugged it into the equation for the z-score, we got both our z-scores wrong. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get the same answer. I mean, unless it's the number they're putting in.
When I carried it out, I felt like it was different.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. That's the mystery.
Well,
Number 16.
Yeah. If she emails me back about the rest, I'll ask her about. Who knows what number 16 means? I don't even know the lesson here saying otherwise. So I don't know. Interesting. Okay, well, not our best one, huh? not our top score.
Let's see. I was going to compute the z-score from one of these already worked problems. Yeah, let's look at the solution. Oh. For it's on like in the book. Like, not going to tell me what. Oh. Wow.
What did you find?
I was going to have me open it up. I'd want to do that. Here's another book example, I guess. Okay.
I feel like I just want to ask simply, like, do we round or not round? Because I just think that's where we're going wrong. Because the rest of the math is so easy. Like, you just minus and then divide. So it's not too tricky.
So, Looking at this one, 3.3.1. They take b hat, they subtract 0.5, divide by the standard deviation, 1.800. I don't know. I mean, the lesson itself isn't really descriptive about what exactly it did. Kind of just gives you formulas.
What did you say?
I said the lesson itself is kind of just gives you formulas. Oh. Okay. You know number 16?
What?
I was looking.
Uh-huh.
If you go to 3.3.2 at the bottom, it has that same sort of, the probability, like big Z greater than little z, whatnot. It has it there. To answer this question, we first note that the survey will suggest that the candidate will win if more than 50% of the people surveyed favor the candidate. So we need to find the following probability. Does p hat is greater than 0.5. In our case, it was flipped around.
Okay, what section is that in again?
It's right above summary. You'll notice it.
Okay. Visual track, right above summary. Okay. So wait, I don't see though where the 3 point.
Yeah, go to 3.3.2, example, political elections.
Okay.
You'll see like how front 0.5.
I'll see the what?
It says there's a big P,
Oh.
and it says P hat is greater than 0.5.
Okay. But when they were doing the big Z and the little z, does the little z represent p hat?
No, it looks like big Z represents P hat. So in our case, it was actually flipped around, right?
Okay. Yeah. So. Oh, so little z would have represent what 0.5 is here. That's interesting. I feel like maybe I should go through and just work through all the problems to make sure I really start getting what it means. Okay, well, I don't really, darn it, I don't really know much more to do for it.
Yeah.
Don't really miss those.
Well, whatever, I guess.
Do they ever show us what the will they ever show us what the answers are?
No.
Okay. Maybe I'll go to the office hours and ask. know.
Well, I gotta get going.
Yeah.
All right.